Well, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all good. It is Tuesday. It's the 25th of July, 2023. We're here to take a look at the weather for South East England for the next 24 hours. Well, it's quite chilly out there this morning. Current top of the hots, just 15.6 degrees at Scilly, on the Isles of Scilly at St Mary's, 15 degrees at Jersey, and 14 degrees at Guernsey. On the mainland, it is really quite chilly, colder still. And some of the lowest temperatures around this morning are quite low for a late July morning. 4.9 at Canwell, 5 degrees at Castledurg, 6 degrees at Sennybridge, but many other stations, and some of them further south, as low as 7 degrees. Right, the reason for it, we've still got low pressure on the scene to the northeast of the UK. We've got a kind of a west or a northwesterly flow flowing across the UK. The temperature anomalies are such that we are still a couple of degrees below average. These are the anomalies today. Many parts of the UK not seeing the average summer temperatures that we've become accustomed to in recent years. Just of note, the real extreme heat is still firing away down across Tunisia, southern Italy, and towards those southeastern Europe states. But today, this cooler air across the north of Europe will eventually push southwards to end their heat wave in the next day or two. But anyway, back to the here and the now, back to the UK. And today is one of those better days. We're between frontal bands. So up there, that was the rain that we had over the weekend. Down here to the west, these are the fronts that will be coming in later tomorrow and into Thursday to give us a wet spell. But we've got a very weak ridge of high pressure just coming up across the south of the UK today. So mainly dry, but there are a few notable exceptions. Excuse me. The reason for it is, well, we'll take a look at the radar just now. And it's not completely dry across the southeast at the moment. There are a few showers working their way across parts of Suffolk, Essex, parts of northwest Kent, East London, down to sort of East Sussex, parts of Surrey as well. They will be slowly moving eastwards throughout the course of the morning. Now, if you take a quick look at the cam, it's not universally sunny out there. This is the scene at Gillingham this morning. Some patchy cloud pushing in. There's probably going to be a few showers, variable amounts of cloud, as I mentioned, and some sunny skies. Right, today's weather being played out by Icon is such that at the moment, let's move it forward to 7 o'clock. Not really picking up the showers that are falling at the moment, but what they are picking up, yes, they are. There you go. What they are picking up is that there will be a general increase and location of showers today, more especially towards that southern coast. So if you notice from maybe Eastbourne up through Dungeness, Folkestone, Dover to the east coast of Kent, there will be some sharp showers, possibly heavy, possibly thundery. Most places, though, as you will see, away from that coastal area, should have a mainly dry day, variable amounts of cloud, and just a few maybe light showers, but they will be the exception rather than the rule. Well, as we've already seen, temperatures are no great shakes again today, peaking at around about 18. You might see a 19 degrees somewhere to the north of Kent, maybe to the Essex coast. But yeah, certainly 3 degrees below the normal for the time of year. And temperatures tonight falling quite chilly again, quite a notably cool night actually once again for parts of the southeast of England. Temperatures falling into single digits over towards Basingstoke, maybe 8s or 9s, up towards Aylesbury, yeah, and over towards some of the rural parts of Kent as well, down to 9 or 10 degrees. So yes, it is rather chilly. In terms of the breezes, we just take a quick look at your breezes before we put it all to a close. There you go. No problems with breezes today coming in from that west or southwesterly direction at around about sort of 6, 7, 8 miles an hour, so a light westerly breeze. I'll be back I'll be back tomorrow morning with the forecast. I don't think I'm going to do any more on those heat waves, but yeah, in the meantime, all have a lovely day. Thank you very much for watching, and ciao for now.